Tomorrow, we're gonna be able to get Planet Watch tokens tomorrow. No more farting in you.
Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is called The Most Beautifulest Thing in This World. This is brewed in Keene, New Hampshire by Modest Man Brewery. This is a double IPA that is 8.4% in alcohol. This only has citra hops and a lot of fruit squished and squeezed into this. This is incredibly thick, yet when you drink it, it has this really pillowy, cloud-like essence to it. Really, really interesting beer. So if you're ever up in Keene, New Hampshire, try Modest Man. It's super delicious. Cheers to you guys. Shut up, Copper.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, all that good stuff. If this is your first time finding my channel, please take a moment to consider hitting that subscribe button, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video, especially this video, because now that tomorrow is finally the day we get to start mining with our Awair Element sensors. We're not mining, I put it in air quotes, because it's only selling our air sensor quality data to labs and blah, blah, blah. But as it being a crypto channel for short term, long term, whatever, we're just going to say mining in quotations. I know people get in the comments are like, I'm not mining, actually. It's like, guys, that's why I cover my bases. But tomorrow, we officially can start putting these bad boys up. Remember, we have 4 of them. And we are going to put them up all over the place in different houses. And we're going to be mining our Planet tokens. And we are finally, it's been just shy of 2 months. Actually, it has been 2 months that we have been waiting and on board with this. And if you're waiting for yours to come in, there's also an update we're going to show briefly on screen here in a moment about when you can expect yours in. Because we bought ours literally 2 days after, not even, the day this was announced that this was going to start earning Planet tokens. We got them on Amazon for $150 when they're now $300. So let's jump over on to the computer and take a look at a couple of things that we should go over today while you guys get ready to start mining Planet tokens with your Awair Elements and so on and so forth. Let's jump over. So first things first, if you're not part of my Discord, there's a link for that in the description of this video. Join up, come on in. We've got separate channels for everything, and this is where we're pulling this tweet, and we'll probably pull the tweet off of Twitter here in just a moment. But I was working out early this morning, and this was being posted in my Discord, which then inspired me to bring this content to you. And that's pretty much also how I stay up to date on when these projects and platforms are going to be launching. And I want to go over the tweet that was posted in Discord just so I can close down the Discord tab, because of the ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-doop is really getting on my freaking nerves. So let's see. Today, it is currently November the 2nd, and this tweet came out, and you can see right here, this tweet came out at 8:33 a.m. on November the 2nd of 2021, and this is from Planet Watch SAS, the actual Planet Watch Twitter account. Great news! New app approved by the stores. Last few Type 3 sensors purchased by Planet Watchers are shipped tomorrow following courier delays. The app will be released tomorrow at 15 CET, which is about 10 a.m. Eastern. The app might not be visible on all national stores simultaneously. Excuse me. So I'm going to also pull up their Twitter, because I don't want to hear that blooping and bleeping anymore, but I do want to point out that there was an update to the actual Planet Watch app today. I don't know if my phone got it. I should have probably taken a look at that earlier, but there was an update. No, it's not updated. So I'm not updating the actual Planet Watch app that was already existing before this project started to come into fruition, because I heard it might screw up a couple of things in the transition, but there is an update where it's like Planet Watch Go or On the Go or something like that, where it's going to be more towards like the Atmo tubes. But the important thing is that the app that we are waiting for is launching tomorrow, and that is the app that we need to link our licenses with our devices. And again, if you're in the US, it's going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern. It might be a little bit delayed on the App Store, so if you're on Android, it might come out quicker. Be careful, on Android, there is a scam Planet Watch Awair app on there, so don't do anything until you see the official tweets and what the app looks like. But I believe the Google Play will be out a little sooner than the iOS version, just because that's how iOS takes to launch. So we are very, very excited about that. Don't worry about updating or anything along those lines. Let's see here if we can find that. 31 minutes ago, hey, Planet Watchers, make sure you check the status of your orders directly on our website. So they're talking about the miners, if you've ordered with them, so on and so forth. So this is what the new app is going to look like for a new app to manage your app. This is not, again, this is not the new app. This is what like it is updated for the app mode too. But I don't know if they have the actual image here. Great news, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is what the app should look like. It's going to look like that Planet Watch eyeball. Let's make sure it's not too similar to the original one, which it is essentially the same exact logo. So maybe they will change it out. I guess I really, really hope so. So that is what it's going to look like. But you can also see the tweet was posted right here, which is excellent. Now, what we need to talk about is we do want to make sure, I'm going to pull up the Planet Watch token price right now. I believe it's dropped down a little bit. So as of right now, you have a couple of options and a couple of things. Yeah, it's down to 28 cents. As of November 8th, remember, on November 8th, we will no longer be able to buy in the US licenses with PayPal or credit cards. It's going to be Planet Watch tokens only. So what I would probably think about doing, you can see right here, if we go to cart, we're going to add, just do 1 year, add to cart when we go into our checkout phase. And this is also showing proof that there's an issue I have on that screen. I'll go back here in just a second. We're going to go to proceed. But there's an issue on that screen we're going to go back to in a second. So once you have everything, you're able to go down and you can either pay with PayPal, buy with Planets, or with a credit card using Stripe. What I imagine is going to happen on November 8th, this PayPal and this credit card option is going to go away, and you're going to only be able to purchase these licenses using Planet Token. So what I'm thinking in my head, if you don't want to jump onto mining right away, you can definitely get some Planet Tokens now, wait until November 8th, and I bet these prices are going to start shooting up. Once they shoot up, then technically, you know, if you buy $50 worth of the token right now, and let's say they double in price, you only have to use half of your tokens to buy the license, and you might be saving yourself money on that license. So that's not a bad idea and to put into consideration. Also, it's not a bad idea to grab these tokens. I don't know why it's showing 0.028. Am I not even on the right one? I'm not even on the right one. Derp, 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 derp. I was like, nope, 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 nope. Let's redo it. I was like, yeah, it's not 2 cents. There, planets. Okay, still, just with the decimal place in a different spot. So yeah, 0.27, so just shy of 28 cents. Still a good time to grab it. Just because November 8th, I do see the price going up because these will be what people are going to want to use for their licenses. And I'm sure I'm not the only one with this idea if you need to purchase your licenses or you want to wait. Now, when you purchase your license, every time I talk about this, someone's like, oh, I can't purchase them in the US. They're not available, blah, blah, blah. That's not true. I now officially have all 4 of my licenses. And there's a little update on this page that I'm not a huge fan of, but I need to go back and double check in my email. Because I don't like what I'm seeing, and I'm going to email someone. But it's very, very simple if you want to buy a license in the US. I literally bought my last 2 about an hour and a half ago. All I did was click on, we go to planetwatch.us, you go to buy licenses, you go down here to buy now, and then I'm logged in already, so we're going to see something here in just a moment, because you do have to log in and create a username and password on the website. So what is really kind of driving me nuts, and then you could pick 1, 2, 3, 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year. Prices are 42, 60, or 84. What I'm not a huge fan of is right here, they've added this. It says, congratulations, as you hold 5 licenses, you can buy a total of 5 devices. You've already bought 2. That's not true. I've already bought 4 licenses. This literally just updated this week, and I don't think they're keeping into consideration the licenses that I purchased previously. You can see your previously purchased licenses if you go up to the little self icon up here in the top right, and then over here on the little menu options, you click on orders, and then you're going to go here. You can see I've purchased my first license on September 12th of 2021. That was one for $42. I purchased my next one on October 6th for $42, and then I purchased my other 2. You can see 2 of them right here for $84 on today, November the 2nd. So we are ready to go when this is launching tomorrow. We have nothing else we have to worry about. We just download the app, and I'm assuming you're going to put in the email address that you've logged in on your Planet Watch account, do your KYC and all that crap, and then it'll pull up the licenses readily available for your devices, and then there's a little QR code on the back of each device with the serial number, and I bet you're going to link the license to That's just what I'm assuming at the moment, since I haven't had any experience with this just yet. So we are going to be waiting on that one. Maybe we'll do some shorts and we'll do some other updates about that. But if you guys want to get your licenses, they're still available. As of right now, there's 7,779 sold. I do believe that once they hit to 10,000 licenses and the units are all activated, the amount of Awair or Planet Watch that the Planet tokens that the Awairs are going to be able to mine are going to go down, because it's going to be at a saturation point. So we will then reevaluate on the profitability of these devices when that occurs. But otherwise, get your licenses, get ready. If you don't have plans tomorrow, call off of work. If you have 5 of these sensors that you need to put at people's houses, you want to make sure that you're ready to get them going, so that way we can start earning immediately. Make sure they have reliable internet connections. Make sure that their network is always up and it's going to be able to always stay connected, because that will affect some of your reward rates as well. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram, Twitter, or Discord. I definitely recommend the Discord, because tomorrow that is going to be popping when this app goes live. You're going to get some ads from everyone. It'll be right in the middle of my workout time, so I will make sure I have that downloaded and ready to go. I'll be awake and pumping iron, and I'll alert everyone. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff. I'm Oprius, and we'll see you guys next time.
Come on, you gotta do the workout and you gotta get the essence and put them up and you're ready to go and you get the planet.